I'm in my vintage camper, and I'm going to make some pickled eggs. I've been on a diet for a while now, and eggs are one of my main foods that I've used to lose weight. So I haven't ate any pickled ones, so I thought this would be something different. I've just been eating boiled eggs, so I'm pretty excited to do this. Now I'm just using a hot plate for now because it works with the camera. And I picked a recipe that I liked, but then I gathered some other information and put something together that I thought would be best. And they call this pub pickled eggs. So I would think they might be super good. Now you start with a cup of vinegar, put it in a pan. And there are so many versions of this, but I think this will be a good one. And they have some for if you want real spicy. This is a cup of water. Spicy pickled eggs, which I think would be awesome. Okay, then you want to put in a couple of bay leaves. Okay, you only put like 3 seeds of pickling spice and about a tablespoon of black peppercorn, and I'm sure you could change it a little bit if you like some taste better than others. You want to put in, I'm putting in garlic. Some of them don't call for garlic, but I love garlic, so I'm going to put the garlic in there, and some dill, yes, and I'm putting in dill, which is just so pretty, I think. Let's see, right now, sugar, but I'm going to wait and get my onion ready. This is the first mandolin I've had in my life, and I love it, but you really have to be careful because it is sharp. So that looks good. The onions, just beautiful. I don't know if I can tilt this enough. Yeah, that you can see it. And you want to bring that to a boil. I'm putting my sugar in. Once you get everything in, you want to bring it to a boil and boil it for about 13 minutes. Some say 12, some say 15, so I'll say 13. So that's what we're doing now. It's boiling now, as you can see the steam, and it's been boiling for about 5 minutes. So a little bit longer and we'll be ready to put it in the jar. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy my videos. I have a variety of videos. Now this has cooled off quite a bit, and I'm going to start layering it. Start with a few eggs, and then take part of the onions and bay leaves and so forth, and put those in, and the dill, which to me makes it very pretty. And then you put more onions in, eggs, and more of the brine. Okay. Oh, actually, this worked out perfectly. I didn't know that it would. So then more brine. Well, the brine has cooled off, the liquid, and so I've covered my egg.